Alright, welcome back to WordPress usage. If you have not already, make sure to log into your dashboard. And today we're going to talk about customizing a theme. So if you click on Appearance inside your dashboard, it's going to take you to your themes. All of your installed themes will appear here. You can always activate a new one. All you gotta do is click Activate and the new theme will be opened up. We're going to talk about 2011. It's very easy to customize. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it. Customize, widgets, menus, theme options, header, background. Alright, so we're going to start with customize here. And what this is going to do is this is going to show us the example of what our site already looks like. Okay, so this is the default. And we're going to change this information. This is my example. Okay? So now this is a live preview, so it changes. This is my example. Alright. You can choose, there's some preset themes here. So light or dark, that's fine. Or you can simply choose your own colors. Okay. You see here it changes the text. Background. I'm gonna choose green. Alright. Link colors. I'm going to choose purple. Alright, so you can see here my text is now blue. My background is now green, and my links are purple. So really easy to change these things. Okay, so the layout. So you see here I've got the content here on the left. I can choose to put content on the right. I can choose one column, no sidebar. Okay, so this has to do with if you have multiple columns, basically. So I can choose to have columns or no columns, basically. So I like my stuff on the left. I read from my left to my right, so that's where I'm going to put everything. Header images. So you'll notice up here that the header images have been scrolling through and changing. What I can do is I can set one specific one. I can remove these, or I can insert my own header image. I'll show you that section in just a moment, but these are the default pages or the default header images that are already set there. If there's one that I don't like, for example, I can simply remove it. Okay. So you'll see here, I remove the image, no image. That's what my site looks like currently. My background. Let's say I wanted to put an image on my background. No problem. I can go ahead and do that. Let me go grab an image real quick. Alrighty. And that's going to upload the image. It's a really big image. Okay. And you can see that image in the background. See right there. And what I'm able to do is I'm able to say repeat or don't repeat, tile. I can choose to put the image on the right, on the left, centered. Alright. And I can choose to have it fixed or scroll. And then I can choose to have a static page. So what this does is you'll notice that my posts are showing up here on my home page. But I don't need to have them show up on my home page. If I want my post to show up on a different post, I can do that. And so what I've done is I've created a couple pages here. And I'm going to choose first page as the first page here. So you see this, it's going to change. And my first page is going to show up as the home page. And then I'm going to put all my posts on the page called All My Posts. And so you see here, all my posts, that's where my posts are going to appear. And first page is going to become my home page. Alright. So I can save that and publish it. And I'll time out your session. And when you go back to your site and refresh it, there's where all your changes are going to show up. Alright, so it's not very fancy. Not yet anyway. And in our next installment, I'll talk about how to change the rest of 2011.